Oh, I didn't get any of that.
Oh, really? That sucks.
Hi. Anna. Anna. Do you have any cookies?
Still squished up looking.
That's exactly how Austin looked. Oh. She's so pretty. She's got that pirate eye. Why are you doing this to me, Dad?
It looks cute. Ah. Hey! Hey! Daddy! Baby, I got your money!
Oh. Okay, let's play dress up.